Why are mechanics liens so effective? In this video, we'll be exploring why liens are so effective at getting contractors and suppliers paid. A mechanics lien ties up the sale of the property. When you file a mechanics lien, it's recorded directly against the property title. This gets the owner's attention since it's extremely difficult for them to sell, refinance, or transfer the property once that's been done. Additionally, many construction projects have a construction lender, and lenders are loaning tons of money to the project, so when you file a mechanics lien, you're intervening on their security interest on the property. In some states, you're actually going to get priority over that lender's interest. These claims get attention and they cost the owner money. When a lien claim is filed, the property owner or lender is at risk of having to pay for the same work twice because cashflow didn't make it all the way down the payment chain to you. Filing a lien puts the customer or GC's contracts in jeopardy. It's very common for construction agreements to have clauses which ensure a party, like the general contractor, keep the property free and clear of liens. If a lien is placed against the project, the contract is broken because of these clauses. This puts pressure to resolve a lien claim as soon as possible. More parties become obligated to your debt. A mechanics lien gets everyone on the job to pay attention to you. Lenders, owners, architects, general contractors, title companies, sureties, everyone. The more parties that are aware of your debt, the more pockets available to you to collect, and the more likely that you'll get paid. You'll set a firm deadline for payment. The problem may not be that you refused payment. It's that you're waiting and waiting and waiting for payment and get nothing but empty promises. Everyone hates litigation, and a mechanics lien will set a firm deadline for when litigation will begin if the lien isn't paid, and deadlines get the ball moving. Lien claims help with bankruptcy protection. In the event that someone on the project goes bankrupt, a mechanics lien can secure your debt. Secured creditors immediately move towards the top of the list of those needing payment. It can also give you the ability to proceed in court against other parties while the bankruptcy is pending. Liens freeze cash flow on the project. When you file a mechanics lien, the cash flow on the project may stop, and that could be to your benefit. The lender or the owner will actually stop paying its general contractor or others until it gets assurances that you're paid and that lien will be removed. This helps make sure that you get paid as quickly as possible. It may force parties into joint check agreements to benefit you. Sometimes a mechanics lien will expose a financial problem that the owner didn't know about. For example, you may be supplying materials to a subcontractor who's going through tough times. When you're not paid, filing a mechanics lien may be the only way to get the owner or the general contractor's attention, prompting everyone to look at the subcontractor's situation and learn that they're not able to pay their bills. This could result in the use of joint checks, allowing you to continue to profit off the job, but not subjecting you to the financial problems of that subcontractor. Lien claims may affect the contractor's bonding ability. Bonding capacity is really important to a general contractor's business. If their bonding capacity is negatively impacted, a general contractor can actually be disqualified from future work. As a result, GCs really care about the relationship they have with their sureties. Bottom line, mechanics liens work. They give you quite a bit of leverage that can compel a delinquent customer to pay up. Better yet, filing a lien doesn't have to ruin your business relationship. Open, honest communication is a cornerstone of any relationship. Keep the lines of communication open and treat them with respect, and expect them to respect you in return. If you're having trouble getting paid in a project, you should strongly consider filing a mechanics lien or at least threatening one. You can download a free mechanics lien form for your state here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.